Hey lawn dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, ulnarlawncare.com. Maybe we just got done mowing the graveyard. It took a little footage. However, you're not going to see that in this video. I'm going to show you a little clip from another channel. What's that about? Stick around. I'll be right back. So hey lawn dogs, we're here sitting in the car. Morgan is mowing the field that we seeded, mostly weeds, but we do got some grass going. But figured I'd take this time to talk to you about mowers for vets. Well, actually, I'm gonna let Danny Lanier talk to you. Danny Lanier is another YouTuber. He quite a bit bigger than me. We call him 10K Danny. One day, hopefully, we'll call him 20K Danny. But 10K Danny Lanier is going to talk to you about a chance to win a GoPro 8 and help out a charitable cause that I run called Mowers for Vets. So watch this video. I'm not sure at this moment how I'm going to get this video. If I can download it from YouTube or I'm going to put my phone up to the computer and play it. But anyway, watch this video and then I will be back with you after. All right.
What's going on, everyone? I am Danny with Lanier Lawn Care. I'm sure you know, but today we are going to tell you how you can win a GoPro 8. It's very simple. So let's jump into it. All right, guys. So as a lot of y'all know and may not know, we did a fundraiser last night, kind of a last minute thing for a nonprofit organization out of Michigan called Mowers for Vets. Now, what this company does is they take these donations and they end up buying push mowers and such for the veterans that are in need of a mower. So these veterans can go to mowersforvets.com, fill out their application, and then they go through and verify that, hey, you are honorably discharged and such of that nature. And if they meet all of the qualifications, then they can get a mower to mow their lawn with. So you can go watch Ulnar Lawn Care. I'll put the link, down here, and watch the last video he did where he gave a veteran a mower. It's an awesome feeling to just watch that. But we tried to raise some money for donations. We decided that, hey, here's what we're going to do. So James Harrison has stepped forward with James and Mo Vlogs, and he said, you know what? Everybody that donates between now and Sunday, or Sunday during the live, will be entered for a chance to win a GoPro 8. So you have to donate $25 or more to have your name entered into this. If you donate $50, your name does get entered twice into this drawing. So we thought it would be a cool little thing, and James, thank you so much for doing this, man. This is so awesome. So guys, this is what it is. We're going to show you the website here. Here's how easy it is. All you do is go to mowersforvets.com. You click on the link, and then you'll go to this donate button up here, and then it will take you to the page where all you have to do is click the PayPal link, and this is where you will donate from. Now, please keep in mind that if you donate $25 and you pay goods and services, then you have not donated $25. So just keep in mind that you can feel free to pay goods and services. I'm not telling you to go pay friends and family on everything. But goods and services, just remember to add that fee in with that $25 if you are wanting to get entered for this GoPro 8 giveaway. So guys, good luck to you. You have until Sunday. We will be going live on my channel at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. And you know, I think it'll last during the live a little bit until we are going to actually draw the winner. But during that live, we will draw a winner, and someone will win a GoPro Hero 8. So once again, every $25 donation gets you entered into that giveaway. Let's raise some money for this nonprofit organization and help our veterans out. All of this is 100% legit. You can feel free to reach out to, you know, Ulnar Lawn Care if you would like, and ask some questions about it before you donate if you would like to do something like that. But guys, that's going to do it, and good luck to you, and we will see you Sunday.
She's getting better. Now, I'd be out there mowing with her. However, on this trip, we only have the one mower, and this is a good opportunity for her to learn, and I can take care of some paperwork and stuff like that. But you can see, I mean, it's looking not bad, the field. Most of that's weeds. A lot of grass didn't grow, but she's getting a lot more comfortable on the zero turn. So, well, that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Just donate 25. Every $25 you donate gets you another drawing into the, or another name into the drawing. What I'm doing is going through, watching donations, adding your name to the list. You'll basically get assigned a number, and when we're done at the end of that live, towards the end of that live, we'll do a drawing, and whatever number comes up, whoever's name is assigned to that number wins it. Myself, Danny, and James are not going to be included in that drawing. But you can, $25 donation. Hey, at the end of this video, you'll see another little screen where we gave away our first lawnmower. Go check that out. It's pretty cool. Mr. Guerrero was really happy to receive that mower, and to hear his story was good, and we will do better at filming those in the future. But anyway, hey, enjoy your week. We'll see you Sunday. Always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Just Floyd, I'm out.